Hi beautiful people, I'm Donna and welcome to Beautiful Designs. And today I want to share with you a project that I did a while ago. Basically what I did was I created a planter for succulents from a toilet. Yes, a toilet. A while ago I did some remodeling in my bathroom and I had a toilet sitting around. I remember a while ago when I was perusing Pinterest and I came across this really cute idea what you can do with recycled toilets, and which they turned it into a planter and they tiled it. And I was looking at my toilet and I thought, hey, that is what I'm going to do. And I've done mosaics before and I love tiling. And since I have the time, I have the tile, I thought this was a perfect project to do. So in this video, what I'm going to show you is a supply list of everything that was required to do this project. I'm also going to show you a series of photos of the steps that was taken, the progression of the project. And basically this is just a video to kind of give you an idea, inspire you, so that you can create something like this. So anyways, it was so much fun. I had fun creating, and also it did take a little bit more time than planned, but you know what, like most DIY projects, they usually do. So anyways, here's the video. there you have it, my bedazzled, upcycled planter for succulents. I hope I got you inspired, because you know what, the sky's the limit. You can create anything you want. Anyways, if you'd like to have more information about this project, you can find it on my website. That's beautifuldesignsbydonna.com. You can find it under the blog tab. Also, if you just happen to be noticing my jewelry, yes, shameful plug right here. It's also there for purchase on my website also. I would love to hear comments, or if you have any questions about this project, feel free to leave it down in the comment box below. And also, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be covering all sorts of subjects, from beauty, skincare, and DIY projects for the home and garden. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.